Jeez. That color shift though. God damn. Damn, the bumper looks like, dang, that looks crazy right there. Just looks straight red. What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks since I, last posted. But here I am for another video. So hope you guys been enjoying, all the content that I've been dropping for you guys. Let me go ahead and unlock this. So here's the first sponsor for the G, Lace Fit Auto Lighting. They were nice enough to hook me up with the reverse lights and the license plate lights, the LEDs. I already installed the LEDs to my tail lights, and they, they're pretty bright. They light up everything behind me when I'm trying to back up. I haven't installed the license plate lights, so I'll be doing that today, and then I'll be showing you guys, when it gets dark outside, I'll show you guys what they look like and how bright they are. So I'm pretty happy with them, with the reverse lights and my tail lights, because I can see everything behind me now. I don't have to roll down my window when I back up because of tint, and but yeah. So if you guys want a pair of these, we did partner up to do a giveaway. There's going to be 2 winners, so I'll leave the information on my Instagram. I'll probably end the giveaway maybe 2 weeks from now. Let's say 2 weeks from now, or I'll update you guys on Instagram if anything. But yeah, if you guys enter to the giveaway, you can win a pair of reverse lights and a pair of license plate lights. So these are the license plate lights from Lace Fit Auto Lighting. I'll be like I said, I'll be installing these, and then I'll show you guys what they look like. But this is what the bulbs look like. I do have a promo code that you can use on the website, Lace Fit Auto Lighting. I'll put it right here. You can use this promo code for any of your purchases, and you get, like a 10% discount. Okay, so now that I told you guys about the giveaway and all that type of stuff, I'm picking up something that's gonna change the G, and I couldn't be more excited about it. Like, I'm finally happy that this is back in stock and I can pick it up. You guys are gonna be, you probably aren't expecting it, but you're probably expecting it. There's only one thing left to do, you know what I'm saying? So y'all ain't figured it out. That's tough. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on the road because it's about like a 40-minute drive, and I really just wanted to pick it up and get it over with. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to have to keep waiting, because I've been waiting for months for this to be back in stock, and I'm like super happy that I'm able to get it today. Like, I can actually just go there and get it. I don't have to order it or anything like that. So I'm gonna get on the road, and I'll meet you guys, when I get it. All right, guys. So I've been driving all day. Had to drive pretty far and had to run other errands and stuff. But I don't know if you guys are ready for this. I mean, if you guys already saw my Instagram, then you pretty much know, because I posted a story about it. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm probably not gonna open every single package, but I'll show you guys. So here we are. Yep. Time for a boost. Let me just open this. Oh, there's one more box actually. Let me get that out of here. Here we go. Yup. Here we go. Let me get the turbo out for y'all. Alright, got it out the box. As you can see, Turbonetics. Got the whole turbo in there. It's pretty shiny. Can't wait to put this on. It's heavy too. Like, I didn't even know turbos were this heavy, but like, honestly, it's like kind of heavy. So I don't want to pick it up right here and mess around and drop it or something. We got that, and then we have in here which is the wastegate. All those other things. I don't know too much, you know, about turbos, because this is my first, you know, turbo. But we're gonna figure everything out. I'm gonna get it all installed. I'm kind of struggling to get it out the box, bro. Dang. Well, here's the wastegate. This is one of the good ones that I've heard about. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about this kit, and I'm really excited to, you know, throw it on. So we got that. Got the turbo, got the wastegate. Just put that back. And then, so here's the turbo. Dang, I'm freaking, man, it's heavy, but I'm hyped about it. Like, bro, like, this is so dope. This is so dope. Like, I can't believe I got a turbo kit. Like, I'm pretty hyped about it. Man, that's crazy. All right, so I showed you guys, you know, the turbo and the wastegate, and this is pretty much just like all the piping and, you know, yeah, you know, just all the piping and stuff. And in this box, let me move this out the way. Gotta go back in there. This right here, this box is the intercooler. Let me open this up for you guys real quick. I don't have a blade on me, so I'll just use a key. Dang, this intercooler is fucking huge, bro. Damn, I can't, man, you don't know how excited I am to put this on, bro. So yeah, we got the intercooler, turbo, the piping, wastegate. Got pretty much everything. There's the box on the bottom. Hold on, let me see if I could just, let me move this out the way real quick. So this box on the bottom is also more piping. I'm not gonna open it up right now just because you know, it's just piping, nothing special. But yeah, so I'm boosting the G. So it's getting kind of dark already. So my plan is to, I'm not gonna actually put the turbo kit on until probably like February, maybe the end of February, early March, something like that. Just because, you know, I want to prepare the car for a boost. So meaning like I need to get, you know, all the gauges. I need to get the big brake kit, like a Brembo brakes or something like that, or the Acabanos. I choose one of those, but I'm not too sure yet. I need to do, you know, just maintenance on it pretty much. Like I want to replace both of the axles, the diff bushings, and just, you know, just stuff like that, so that I'm ready. You know, I won't have any, you know, issues like as far as that type of stuff. Because I don't really want to be boosted on stock brakes. I feel like that wouldn't even be smart, especially for this being my first, you know, turbo car. But yeah, I'm gonna try to push for February or end of February to, you know, get everything done. Maybe, you know, maybe early March, but bro, I'm so fucking excited. Like this is awesome. I can't wait. All right, well, you know, that's just the plan. You know, I'm gonna try to be ready by February or early March. Don't even know what to say. Like I saw the kit, it popped up, I had to go get it. Everything is brand new. They had just put it back into stock. Like I was actually looking for this kit for like, I was planning on buying this months ago. Like even before I wrapped my car and, you know, got the wheels and stuff, I was planning on getting the kit, but it was out of stock. So like a few days ago, it got put back in stock. Like they got more of them. I called the shop, they said I could come pick it up. So I picked it up as soon as I could because I didn't want to miss out on it, you know what I'm saying? Especially it was a pretty good price. They gave me a pretty good price on it. But yeah, I can't wait to boost it. Like it's gonna be pretty lit. I'm gonna get like a bunch of, you know, road nights and stuff like that for you guys. I want to hear the turbo spool, bro. Like, that's one thing about me. Like, I like hearing, you know, the turbos. Like, it sounds so nice. So I know today it wasn't really that much, you know. It was, you know, a little quick vid. But yeah, I appreciate everybody who, you know, supports the build, you know, watches the videos, likes, subs, all that, you know, comments, all that good stuff. 2021, we going up. Like, I can't wait. I got like I said, I have big things planned, and just, man, 2021 is gonna be lit, hopefully. So hope you guys like the video, you know, like, sub, share the video, all that, and I'm out.